Welcome, my English book MEB. So today's class is about the activity class of class 10 lesson 1. So actually I have already discussed you the full explanation line by line of My Father's Hell by R.K. Narayan. And today's I am going to tell you the total comprehensions of this text. Okay. At first I give you the clues, then I give you answer. And next the writing skill. Here the editorial letter, how to write an editorial letter. So actually in my playlist I have already discussed you the total sequence of letter writing. How can you write an editorial letter? How can you write an official letter? What is the from our personal letter? So all type of letter you may, if you go through this playlist, you can easily understand how can we write a letter. Okay, in description I give you the link of that class and you can easily access this class from this description. Okay, so let's start today's class all about comprehension and writing skill of Father's Hell by R.K. Narayan. So let's start. First question is choose the correct alternative to complete the following sentence. সেখানে কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমরা যে you have to choose the correct alternative. Okay, so first যেটা আছে দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে with the shudder Swami realized that it was, with a shudder Swami realized that it was Monday. So correct answer is Monday. Next, when Swami ought to have been in the school prayer hall, he was lying on the bench. So correct answer is bench. Next, according to Swami, Samuel is especially angry with boys who are late. So correct option is late. Next, fill in the chat with the information from the text. Past ki dekhte pacchi time when Swami complained of a headache. So time was at 9 a.m. Next is your person who ordered Swami to dress up and go to school. So correct answer is his father. Next, name of the teacher mentioned by Swami. So correct answer is Samuel. Next, state whether the following statements are true or false. Provide sentence or phrase words in support of your answer. So first is Swami said that he had a headache. So it's a true sentence. So supporting statement is Swami willed, I have a headache. Next question, Swami was lying in his father's room. So this sentence is false. Supporting statement, Swami was lying in the bench in mother's room. Next ki dekhte pacchi, according to Swami, the headmaster was not afraid of Samuel. So supporting statement, they say that even the headmaster is afraid of him. So that sentence is false. Next, father decided to send the headmaster a letter. So correct option is a letter. Next, while going to school, Swami was bothered by conscience. So correct option is conscience. Option number 1. Next, the color of Samuel's coat was yellow. Okay. Next, we go to the question number 5. Complete the following sentence. Father's behavior took an unexpected turn. So correct answer is unexpected turn. Swami went to school feeling that he was the worst boy on earth. Next, Swami stopped on the roadside to make up his mind about Samuel. Next, answer the following questions. First question ki ache, where did father put the letter? Now Swami's father put the letter in an envelope and sealed it. Clear? Next, what Swami failed to decide about Samuel. So correct answer is Swami wasn't at all sure if his description of Samuel had been accurate or not. Next, how did Samuel look? Samuel had dark face, thin mustache and unshaven cheek. Next, 7a তে একই রকম ভাবে comprehension correct alternative choose করতে বলা হয়েছে. So when Swami entered the class, Samuel was teaching. Correct option is arithmetic. Swami was late to school by half an hour. Next, the headmaster was on a leave for 1 week. Next is your complete the following sentence. As Swami entered the school gate, so correct option is an idea occurred to him. Swami stood at the entrance to his class. Fathers snatched the letter away from Swami and tore it up. So correct option is tore it up. Next, cause and effect দেওয়া হয়েছে. So first যেটা আছে যে for his headache, effectটা কি না Swami did not do his homework. Clear? Next দেখতে পাচ্ছি Swami never met anyone as good as Samuel. এটা হচ্ছে cause, effect কি হচ্ছে Swami felt sad. Next, the headmaster had gone on a week's leave. এটা যদি cause হয়, effectটা কি হচ্ছে Swami could not deliver the letter. Okay. Next 10a দেখতে পাচ্ছি, আমি শুধু আনসারগুলো তোমাদের এখানে দিয়ে দিয়েছি. So first a হচ্ছে text, next হচ্ছে were watching, and third one is will have lived. All these are from tense. Okay. So if have you any problem in tense, then you may also visit my playlist again, and there is a class of tense, the past, present and future, and the common errors of tense. Okay, if you want, you can go through these lessons also, and I also give description the full link of that class. Okay. Next হচ্ছে 11 এর প্রিপজিশন সম্বন্ধে এটা দেওয়া হয়েছে, আর্টিকেল অ্যান্ড প্রিপজিশন. সো ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে অফ, দেন দি, দেন অ্যান অ্যান্ড দেন ইন ইজ ইয়োর কারেক্ট আনসার্স. নেক্সট এটা হচ্ছে এডিটোরিয়াল লেটার. সো আমি তোমাদের অলরেডি বলেছি যে এডিটোরিয়াল লেটার নিয়ে বা লেটার রাইটিং নিয়ে ফুল একটা কোর্স আমার করানো আছে এখানে, তোমরা সেখানে যেতে পারো. সেখানে গেলে কিন্তু তোমাদের পুরো লেটার রাইটিং সম্বন্ধে জিনিসটা পুরোটা ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে. ওকে. সো এখানে যেটা আমি করেছি, কোনো টু দ্য এডিটর, নাম, এগুলো কিচ্ছু দিইনি. আমি শুধুমাত্র সাবজেক্ট ম্যাটার অফ দ্যাট লেটার আই জাস্ট অনলি গিভ ইউ. ওকে, বিকজ there is a time consuming and also space related matter, that's why I cannot give you that form. I only give you the total subject matter of that letter. So what's the subject matter of that letter? Now write a letter to the editor of newspaper within 100 words about the problems faced by the commuters due to reckless driving of public vehicles. So I have start with this. Kindly allow me to express through the columns of your esteemed daily my grave concern about the problems faced by the commuters due to reckless driving of public vehicles. Of late, public transport become a great menace to the citizens of Kolkata. They run in breakneck speed with tendency to overtake other vehicles. The drivers seem to enjoy a mad competition with other transport and thus become reckless. Accidents have become very frequent these days and lives of commuters are in danger. For some reasons or other police regulations and penalties do not seem to be enforced, and the driver goes on in a nonchalant manner. In view of the seriousness of this problem, I would request the authorities concerned to take stern measures to put an end to these hazards. Okay? So এই ছিল আজকে আমাদের টোটাল activity class, or you may say comprehensive question answer class, and also writing skill class of that lesson. Okay, so you wait for some time or some days and I again come to you and with another lesson. Okay, lesson number 2. So until then, have a good day. Thank you very much for watching this class.